What happens if you put ice here for 60 seconds? A person lies awake at night staring at the ceiling. A clock shows 2 a.m. Can't sleep? Gives blood pressure too high? Gives stress won't stop? Can't sleep at night? Blood pressure staying high no matter what you do? Stress that just won't switch off? What if the answer was already in your kitchen? A person placing an ice pack on the back of their neck, then a cut to them sleeping peacefully. This simple ice trick changes everything in the next 7 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly where to place ice on your body and how just 60 seconds before bed can lower your blood pressure, reset your nervous system, and send you into the deepest sleep you've had in years. Stay until the end, because the technique in minute 4 is the one that changes everything. A positive morning sunrise, time lapse, a red subscribe bell icon appears. Dr. Cato Lifestyle Plus subscribe. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel where we share real, science-backed health tips every single day. If you want to take control of your health naturally, hit subscribe right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video that could change your life. The human body with a glowing blue nerve, pathway vagus nerve. Meet your vagus nerve labels. Brain gives neck, gives heart, gives stomach. First, let me introduce you to the most important nerve in your body that almost nobody talks about. This is your vagus nerve. It runs from the base of your brain, down through your neck, past your heart and lungs, all the way to your digestive system. Stressed, tense person versus calm, relaxed person. LEFT. Fight mode, right? Calm mode. Think of your vagus nerve as your body's OFF switch for stress. When it's working well, your heart rate slows, your blood vessels relax, your blood pressure drops, and sleep comes naturally. When it's not working, your body stays stuck in panic mode. High blood pressure, racing thoughts, no sleep, a brain scan, and a doctor checking blood pressure. High vagal tone equals lower BP plus deeper sleep. Scientists measure something called vagal tone, how strong and responsive your vagus nerve is. People with HIGH vagal tone have naturally lower blood pressure, sleep deeper, and handle stress better. People with low vagal tone, they struggle with all three. And here's the key. You can increase your vagal tone. You can activate it from outside your body with cold, macro shot of ice touching skin with electric blue pulses firing along a nerve path. Cold receptors gives vagus nerve, gives instant calm. When cold touches the right area of your skin, special cold receptors send an immediate signal straight through your vagus nerve to your brain and heart. This triggers something called the diving reflex, a built-in survival mechanism your body has had since birth. It's the same reflex that slows your heart when you jump into cold water. Blood vessels widening and a digital BP monitor dropping from 145 to 118. 145 gives 118 inches. With green down arrow, research shows that cold stimulation of the vagus nerve directly reduces sympathetic nervous activity, that's the fight or flight stress signal. Blood vessel walls relax and widen. The heart pumps with less resistance. Blood pressure drops naturally, without a single pill. A Navy SEAL or an athlete using ice for recovery. Used by Navy SEALs and elite athletes, this is not new information for elite performers. Navy SEALs, Olympic athletes, and top-level executives have used cold vagal stimulation for years to control heart rate and stay calm under extreme pressure. Now you can do a simple version in your bedroom in 60 seconds. Transitioning to a white background with bold black texts. Here's the technique. Watch carefully. Step 1. Hands wrapping ice cubes in a thin, clean cloth. Step 1. Wrap ice in a thin cloth. Never apply bare ice to skin. Step 1. Take some ice cubes and wrap them in a thin cloth or small towel. You can also use a cold gel pack or even a cold water bottle. The key rule: never place bare ice directly on your skin. Always use a cloth between the ice and your skin. Step to the back of the neck with a red circle at the base of the skull. Step 2. Place ice at base of skull. Step 2, and this is the most important part, the location. You are going to place the wrapped ice at the base of your skull, right where your skull ends and your neck begins. This area sits directly over the highest concentration of accessible vagus nerve endings in your entire body. This spot, not the middle of the neck, the very base of the skull. Step 3. Person breathing calmly with the ice pack. A breathing timer graphic appears. Step 3. Inhale 4 south, hold to south, exhale 6. Sex. Step 3. Breathe. While the ice is on the back of your neck, breathe through your nose like this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale fully for 6 seconds. This breathing pattern doubles the vagal activation. Cold plus slow breathing together is twice as powerful as either one alone. Step for a large 60-second countdown timer, counting down to 0. 60 seconds. Done. Feel the difference. Step 4. Hold it for 60 seconds. Just 60 seconds. Within the first 20 seconds, most people feel their shoulders drop, a heaviness in the chest, the heartbeat slowing down. Some describe it as a warm wave of calm, even though they're using something cold. That's your vagus nerve doing exactly what it was designed to do. Infographic of artery walls, relaxing, vagus nerve, unequals, artery walls, relax. High blood pressure is dangerous because it keeps constant pressure on your artery walls, slowly, damaging your heart and brain over time. But when you activate the vagus nerve, it sends a direct signal to those artery walls to release that tension. They widen. Blood flows more easily. Your heart doesn't have to push as hard. Pressure drops without medication. Before and after comparison of BP monitor readings. Before 148/94 AF, 122/78. And when you do this consistently every night before bed, the effects compound. Your baseline blood pressure gradually decreases. Your nervous system learns to stay in a calmer state. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Dreamy clips of the night sky and deep sleep. Nervous system reset gives melatonin flows, gives deep sleep. For deep sleep, your body needs to be in parasympathetic mode, the rest and digest state. When your nervous system is stuck in stress mode, your brain keeps one eye open all night. You wake at 3 a.m. You wake up exhausted. The ice technique tells your brain the danger is over. It's safe to rest. Melatonin flows naturally. Body temperature drops. And you fall into deep, restorative sleep. Person putting away their phone and dimming the lights. Pro tip: 15 to 20 minutes before bed. Dim lights, plus slow breathing. Pro tip: do this 15 to 20 minutes before you get into bed. Dim your lights, put away your phone, apply the ice to your neck, do your breathing. By the time you lie down, your body will already be in sleep mode, fully ready to rest. Person waking up refreshed. The final end card appears with subscribe. It's 60 seconds back of skull lower BP, deep sleep. Let me leave you with this. 60 seconds. Ice at the base of your skull. Slow breathing. That's it. Blood pressure drops. Nervous system resets. Deep sleep follows. Try it tonight and come to the comments and tell me what you felt. I'm reading every single one. Like this video if it helped you and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.